Okay, day 29 of me trading with Apex. This is where my eval and my PA is at. Still haven't traded this PA and brought the eval down once again. So probably shouldn't even really be trading this week. Or just being very, very picky. Let me just go over the trades really quick that I've taken so far. A lot of lines, I know. Let me try to get rid of some of these. Let me just get rid of these channels here. Alright, so I'm watching price. We're above the hourly 50 EMA, this pink line here, so I'm looking to pretty much go long as I'm watching price, move today. At that point, after, seeing that we're above this line, I'm like, okay, I'm looking for the first bear candle opening and closing above this 10 EMA on the 3-minute chart, this light blue line, right? So we come down, we get a bull candle opening and closing below, right? That would be a signal to go short, but I only go short, or I mainly go short when price is under this hourly 50 EMA. We come back, we get this is kind of what I'm looking for, a bear candle opening and closing above this light blue line. I think I had a trade, kind of entered in here, but price just never came. And on this huge spike down, I think I canceled it. So we get another bull candle reset, which again, I was not going to go short under. What would have been a great trade is just getting in above the high of this candle and putting the stop below here. That would have been really good. Anyways, but here's where we get that first bear candle opening and closing above that 10 EMA. So I not only want to get in above the high, but I'm trying to put it, above kind of this area where we're kind of bouncing off of and rejecting off of. Basically got waked in and stopped out I was able to move my stop one time. So around 0.7 R, I got stopped out. Again, we come down, we get a bull reset candle. We come up, again, we're above the pink line, so we get this new bear reset candle. I think I had a trade here too, but again, it just came down. And as time is passing, I'm realizing, okay, there's kind of a pattern forming, and that is basically a pennant pattern. I don't necessarily just take trades off of, patterns, but I am seeing this and I'm like, okay, so we're going to kind of bounce between these lines for a little bit till we start coming to the end here. So as I realized this, instead of again trying to go long above a bear candle, which it would have been this one right here, and I had that trade set up, but again it immediately plummeted, and I'm like, okay, we'll probably come back up. So let me just get in lower. So what I did is, we see this hammer candle here. I got in above, just like I said, would have been a better trade here. Get in above there, stop, somewhere below the low. Now my stop was probably just a little too low. I would call myself, putting it also below this wick and, some of these little wicks right here, just in case this could have been the breakout of this pennant pattern and could have kept coming up. But it wasn't a breakout. But what I did do was I took one contract off on, when it got to the top of this line here. So, and then I was also able to move my stop up a little bit. So I lost, but it wasn't like a super big loss, just kind of like this one. Only difference with this one is I wasn't able to take a contract off. I wish I would have been able to, but it is what it is. So now we've kind of broken down out of that pennant pattern. Price is really still trying to, it's like fighting to stay above the hourly 50 EMA. So if price comes back up here, you know, in this area above this 10 EMA on the 3-minute. And if it gives us a bear candle opening and closing above that EMA, I'll try to go long again. Because one thing I know sometimes about pennant patterns or triangle-ish type of, I don't know all the names of the patterns, but is sometimes they fake. Like the breakouts on the first time sometimes are like fake. And so what we're doing here is we've broke out, we're retesting, and it looks like they're trying to hold it down, but this could definitely come up and then just blast out of here. So I'm just gonna see what happens. I mean, I guess if we come up and create a bear candle opening and closing and still don't go higher, then at that point I'll know I definitely want to short. But we'll see. We have a lot of volume spikes here. We have big volume coming in here. And yeah, if this candle right here gets taken, I mean, I really technically could, if I wanted to set up a trade kind of like this. Price getting over this candle with the really big volume right here. Now that could mean something and it could go up, you know, quite a bit, but I think I'm going to wait. I think I'm going to wait for that bear candle opening and closing above the 10 EMA on the 3-minute. And, you know, I will try again. So we'll see what happens. This could turn into like a double bottom, and I would like that. And like I said, it could blast on out of here, and that would be cool. I don't know. We'll see. I will come back with an update. Okay, so this pennant did not fake. I don't know what happened here. There was this crazy drop that happened, like out of nowhere, it almost seemed like. Anyways, yeah, so we had that retest of that line, and then boom, we're down. So I'm gonna be honest, because of that, I think I'm done. I think I'll be done. I mean, it's gonna take a lot anyways for one of my setups to appear, right? So price would, for me to go long, unless I switched my strategy, price would have to, zoom in here, would have to come all the way up, okay? And at least at this point, even, you know, it could be a little bit under this pink line here, but from here down, somewhere in this area, a bear candle would have to open and close above this 10 EMA. And I'd prefer it to the top of that bear candle to be slightly, you know, slightly under this line, you know, anywhere like that, and that would give me a little bit, I should probably kind of draw this out, right? So if we came up, ooh, that was kind of horrible, and got a bear candle somewhere like right there, and then, now let me try to draw this out. If we get some sort of, and I'm going to color this in, or not color this in, but I'm going to, let me just do it like this. Taking forever now explaining this. Right? Some type of, wow, I can't believe I'm doing this. Some type of bear candle would have to form right here, a little bit under this pink line. So that way I can get in above it and have a stop somewhere. Now that I would have to determine, I have to see what the candles look like to figure out the stop. So either that has to happen, or we come all the way above the pink line and still throw a bear candle opening and closing, not only above this 10, but also above this. And I can also get above that one. But that would mean my entry is a little higher. And I'd have to figure out where the stop would be. So that's what would have to happen for me to go long. For me to go short, what would have to happen is we get a bear candle opening and closing above the 10 as a reset, and then we would have to come back down, and I'd have to get a bull candle opening and closing below this 10 EMA to get short below it. I hope that doesn't sound too confusing. Maybe I should draw it, right? Some of you are like, no, don't draw it. Just don't draw it. But basically, price would have to come up here and throw in that bear reset candle, and then we have to close below it. And let's just say the 10 EMA is, right here. Man, I'm just like butchering this. Oh my God, why won't it draw? Okay. I don't know, the 10 EMA is doing something like that. And we close, we have a bull candle under this. Let me try to fix this so it kind of, you're going to see what I'm trying to say. So basically, yeah, that bull candle would have to close under the bear, the 10 EMA for me to go short under it. And the stop would be something like if the bear candle did that, I would probably put the stop above the bear candle high, and yep, I'd short like that. So, and I'm a little uncomfortable. That drop was crazy. It just happened right there. That was really, that was something. But anyways, sorry for butchering that. I may come back with one more update, and yeah. Okay, so no real update. I'm going to be ending this video. We did not get any bear reset candles, so yeah, I'm just going to kind of call it. Anyways, like and subscribe. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you on the next one.